crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright.
Have you ever been so gone? Have you ever felt so strong? So wrong like you belong, thinking I belong to. And I've been thinking for a while what I might do. Breakthrough, no I have to. And I didn't wanna have to do it, but you slither as I passed you. Can't keep a pet snake one day, it'll get out his cage and run away like the last one. This was never started for the money or the fame or the chance for my name. It was just an escape where I could write all of my sinister thoughts up in my head, incorporated in the songs to try to keep myself safe. But nobody wanna see the bigger picture. All they focused on is how I'm having money coming quicker. Every day the population drifts away from the scriptures. Here's a kicker, I don't think the world will ever see fiction. It's rare to see a person take a risk in their life and work for what they want instead of working 9 to 5s, because it's harder and they fear how will they ever survive without a check for someone else's bank to keep them alive. And if you're happy, that's fine. Don't check the schedule on the person aside. But for me, I see a bigger end and made up my mind. So stop saying I can't, this decision is mine.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long, but I'm back again. Yeah, I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright.
Alright, so the first thing in this car, it has no AC. And it's also very loud. So you need to drive with earplugs. So I don't have a set for you, but shit. Hopefully you don't go deaf. But definitely earplugs, safety 101. T5 is so like the throws are so freaking long. Yeah. That's how you do a U-turn in this thing. Stuck in the ditch over there on a little lawnmower. Got the fun button here too.